Hello students, today we'll be learning a new application called Scratch Junior. As you can see here, this is the icon for Scratch Junior. When I double click on it, it will start loading and it will open up. This is the Scratch Junior screen. From the top, I can maximize the window by clicking this small square. The Scratch Junior window is maximized. Here you can click on this home button to start working on Scratch Junior. All these are the projects created by me. To start a new project, you have to click on this plus sign here on the top left corner. When I click the plus sign, it opens a new window. This is the Scratch user interface. On this left hand side, you have the tick character, and this is the stage where he's showing. If I don't want the tick character, I can long click on it and press this cross to delete it. So now you can see there is no character on the left hand side. To add a new character for Scratch project, you click on the plus sign and then this opens a library of characters. On the right hand side there's a scroll bar. You can scroll down and you can see the different characters. So if I want this character, her name is Teen, and I press the tick mark here, so the Teen character is added into my stage. Now to edit this character, I can click on the brush icon here. Can you see this brush? When I click on this brush icon, it opens this editor window. In the editor window here, if I want to change the color of any of the part of this character, I click on the bucket tool and I choose a different color, supposing an orange color, and I click on her t-shirt. So the color of the t-shirt has got changed. Similarly, on this left hand side, you have these options to do freehand drawing. If you want to draw something, maybe here you want to draw a bow on her hair. So I have drawn it freehand and I can change the color while drawing. I can undo the last action from this undo button. So the last action has got undo. And then I choose a different color, supposingly light blue. And then I start drawing here. As I am drawing, you can see I can change the size of my pen. These are different sizes for the pen. You can make the pen size thicker whatever when you want to draw. So now here, supposing I draw this, can you see? Now it is drawing with a thicker pen size. So you can choose your pen size and then choose a color for your pen and then you can start drawing. This one is to draw a circular shape. So if I click here, I can draw a circular shape. This one is to draw a square. So I can draw a square. And this one is to draw a triangle. You can always fill them with color. You can choose the bucket tool and whatever color you choose and fill inside that closed shape. You can fill inside the closed shape. It will not go, the color will not go out of the closed shape. So now this color is filling the circle. Now all this has become part of this character Teen. I can rename the character from the top here. Instead of Teen, if I want to name it as Lolly. So this becomes the character's name. Now the first icon at the top right hand corner, this is to move a part of the character. When I click on this arrow, and now I can drag and move any of these parts of the character. The next part here is to rotate a character. When I click on the rotate button, I can rotate a part of the character. Next is the stamp tool. When I click on the stamp tool and I click here, a duplicate copy of the same object has been made over here. This is the cut tool, the scissor. When I click on the object, it gets deleted. Here's the camera option. When you click on the camera and you click on the character here, you'll be able to click on the camera, you'll be able to choose a picture for the face of the character. These are all the different tools for editing a character. Once you are done that, you can click on this tick mark here and you come back to your stage, and here you can see the name of the character is showing as Lolly. Now when I click and move the character, the whole character is moving along with all the different other parts I drew for him. Here children, this is the toggle for the grid view. This is the grid, so you can see the squares. If you have to move a character, you can understand how many steps the character should be moved through the grid. If you want to not see the grid, again click on the toggle grid. The next option here is to add a background to your stage. When I click on the background option, again a library of backgrounds opens up. So I can choose any background from here. Supposedly I choose this background, that is suburbs, and I press the tick mark. So you will see it will open the suburbs background. So you can see here, this is the girl in the suburbs background. Now, if I want to make changes in the background, the same way I can do. Now you can see this is the first page with the suburbs background. When I click on the page and again I click on the background here, then I click on the paintbrush icon here. This will help you to draw a new background. But if you want to make changes into the previous background, you click here, click on the background and then click on the paintbrush. So it opens the background here, and if you want to make changes, supposedly I want to change the color of this door or this house roof, I can choose a different color and then click on the roof. So both the roof's colors have got changed. Similarly, you can use all these different shapes and doodle tool to draw something, to move something. If I want to move this tree from here, I click on this tree and drag it here. So the tree has moved from here to here. If I want to rotate or turn something, I click here and turn it. And if I want to make a duplicate of the tree, I click on the stamp and click here. A duplicate of the tree has been made, and I can just rotate it a little bit. It was not erect. Then if I want to delete anything, I can click on the delete. If I don't want this tree, I can delete it. If I want it back, I can click on the undo button to get it back. Once you are done, press the tick mark, and this is the new background with the changes. So now you have the character and a background. You can add more characters by clicking on the plus sign here, and then you can click on another character and press the tick mark. So a new character is added here. Now this is the area that is called programming area, and these are the blocks of coding. So you'll be learning them gradually. So first of all, you can drag a code of block from here, and from the looks, I can make it shrink. Character I want to shrink. So when I press the green flag, you can see the character of teacher is getting shrunk because this is the programming script we have written for the teacher character. So whenever I press the green flag, the teacher is getting shrunk by a number of 2. If I want her to get shrunk more, I can write a bigger number and there she becomes more smaller. If you want to view the whole screen in full screen mode, children, you can click on this button on the top above the stage. When I click this, it comes in the full screen mode. To go back to the normal mode, click this button again. You can also use the text tool here to type something. So if I write here, in the suburbs, and from here I can change the size of my text, and from this button icon I can change the color of my text. If I say red, and now when I click outside, this is my text over here. I can drag it and place it anywhere. I can add more than one text. If I write here the name of this character Lolly, and I give the font size blue, and I bring it and place it here for Lolly. If I don't like it, I can again click and change the color and move it wherever I want. This is how you can add that text. This button is used to reset all the characters to the original size. And here this yellow icon on the top right corner is used to save the project. Right now it is not saved the project name. I can save the project as in the suburbs. And when I press the tick mark, project is saved. When I click the home button, you will see that the project will show in all my projects library here. I hope you will enjoy working in Scratch Junior. See you. Bye.